Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lavanya chemistry classes. Today topic is balancing equation in basic medium. Balancing equation in basic medium. Now the equation is like this. MnO4 minus plus I minus gives rise MnO2 plus I2. This is a balanced equation, but this is by using balancing this equation by using ion electron method. In this MnO4 we call the name as permanganate ion, and I minus iodide MnO2 and I2. The permanganate, that means the permanganate ion can be changed to manganese oxide and iodide can be changed to iodine. Iodide can be changed to iodine. How can we change this? Now this equation can be balanced by using basic medium. This can be split into oxidation reaction and reduction of reaction. Why I minus and I2 is a oxidation of reaction. And MnO4 and MnO2, this is the reduction of reaction. That means the oxygen atoms can be reduced. So reduction of reaction. So now this already now we can another. That means the MnO4 minus is the charge is plus 7 and MnO2 charge is plus 4. That means the permanganate ion can be changed as MnO2 plus 7 to plus 4. So it can be the electrons can be adding. That means the electrons can be gaining. So the reaction is reduction of reaction. And the next equation I minus to I2 can be changed as oxidation will be takes place. That means minus 1 to 0. The electrons are removed. The removal of electrons are called as oxidation reaction and the addition of electrons are called as reduction of reaction. Already we know about it. And the next one is the steps. In this is the first step. In first step we are divided both the equation which is the oxidation of reaction, which is a reduction of reaction. That is the first step. In the second step we are separate reduction of reactions and oxidation of reaction. Now in this reduction of reaction MnO4 minus and MnO2, in this reduction reaction MnO4 minus MnO2. So first we balance atoms. Oxygen first we only remaining oxygen and hydrogens, remaining atoms, only oxygen and hydrogen atoms, except oxygen and hydrogen atom, remaining atoms are balanced. So in this equation Mn and Mn, so remaining atom is manganese ion, so Mn can be balanced. And then we balance oxygen atoms. In basic medium we are add OH minus ions. Less oxygen number side we are add OH minus ions. So in this side 4 oxygen atoms are there. In this side only 2 atoms are there. So we are add less number of oxygen side, add 2 OH minus ions, because in this side 2 oxygens, in the 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen atoms, so oxygen atoms are balanced. And the next step we are balanced hydrogens. The first step is except hydrogen and oxygen, remaining atoms are balanced, and the next step oxygen atoms balanced, and then next step hydrogen atoms can be balanced. That is the step. And then in this hydrogen atom balance hydrogen atoms, add same number of H2O molecules on opposite side, because 2 OH minus ions are there. So in this side 2 hydrogens are present, in this side no hydrogens are present. So in this side left side we add 2 H2O molecules, and opposite side we add 2 OH minus ions. So all are balanced. In this side 6 oxygen atoms, in this side 6 oxygen atoms, 2 plus 2 plus 2. So all the atoms are balanced. So now and the next step balanced charges, 2 electrons, balance charges by adding electrons on lower side. In this side MnO4 minus having -1 oxidation state, H2O is the neutral molecule, so the charge is 0, -1 plus 0. So in this side -1 is there charge. In this side MnO2 charge is 0 and 2OH minus 2OH minus, so the charge is -4. In this charge is -4, O minus 4, O minus 0 minus 4, so -1 to -4. So in this side the charge is higher, so we add this side 3 electrons. The charges can be balanced by using electrons, by using electrons. So less charge side we are add electrons like this. We add electrons MnO4 2H2O. In this side we are add 3 electrons because in this side -1 only. In this side -4 charge is there. That's why we are add this side 3 electrons. MnO4 minus 2H2O plus 3 electrons and MnO2 2OH minus 2OH. So now the atoms and hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms and charges, these 4 are balanced. And then in this side oxidation of reaction. What is the oxidation of reaction? I minus to I2, it is oxidation of reaction because -1 to 0 the electrons can be decreased. So loss of electrons are called as oxidation of reaction. In this side first we are balance iodine atoms. So we add 2 I minus gives rise I2, and then balance charges, we are add electrons. 2 I minus I2 plus 2 electrons. Why we are this side 2 electrons? In this side 2 minus 2 is the charge, in this side 0. So -2 to 0. Now we balance 0. We add this side. 2 electrons. So I2 plus 2 electrons. And then in this side 2 electrons. This side 3 electrons are present. So we are multiplied with this equation with 2 and this equation with 3. This equation with the second equation with 3. So the equation turns to 6I minus gives rise 3I2 plus 6 electrons. This is can be fourth equation. And first equation is MnO4 can be multiplied with second table. This can be changes to 2 MnO4 plus 4H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise 2 MnO2 plus 8OH minus gives rise. This is the third equation. And then you add both the equation 3 plus 4. The third equation is like this equation and fourth equation is these two equation can be combined, added. So by adding this side left side 6 electrons and right side this 6 electrons can be cancelled each other. So the remaining atoms, the remaining equation is like this 2 MnO4 minus 6I minus 4H2O gives rise 2 MnO2 3I2 plus 8OH minus ions. And then we are check now the equation is balanced or not. So the 2 manganese atoms are present in this side, 2 manganese atoms are present, and oxygen atoms 4 8. In this side 4 oxygens, 8 plus 4 12 oxygen atom. So In this side 4 oxygen atoms, 8 oxygen, 8 plus 4, 12 oxygen. So oxygen atoms can be balanced and manganese atoms can be balanced, and iodine atoms. 6 iodines and this side 6 iodine, 3 I together. So 6 I and 6 I. And then hydrogen atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms, and this side 8 hydrogen, 8 OH, 8 hydrogen atoms. Now the atoms are balanced, oxygen atoms are balanced, and the hydrogen atoms are balanced, and remaining charges are balanced or not. In this, the MnO4 having -2 charge and 6 -2 plus 6 -8. In this side 8 0 plus 0 plus 8 -8 -8 -8. So this equation is correct. So in this any equation, we are giving any equation in we are solve balanced with the basic medium is like this. Please subscribe and share and watch my videos regularly.